Welcome to my workshop. It's not very big, but it's well equipped with all the needed woodworking machines and tools. Most of them are from high-end brands of European factories. This workshop is capable of producing almost any woodworking project, but since it's not my day job, but something more like a hobby that got out of control, I don't earn any money from it. And truth is, it's mostly expenses without any income. How did I get to own this workshop? That's what this video is all about. But first, let's roll back 5 years ago. So 5 years ago I made a dream come true, and with the help of my family members I bought some woodworking machines. A sliding table saw, a bandsaw, and a used planer. I brought it to a new house and it was a bad idea from the very first moment. The machines are relatively small and made for the hobbyist, but are professional and very heavy. The sliding table saw alone weighs around 400 kilos, and it took half a day for 5 people to take it down through the stairs. And the aftermath was 2 broken stone stairs, ruined wall, broken metal rail, a confused woodworking hobbyist, and a wife with tears in her eyes. Not sure what have she done that she deserves all this. So there are several reasons why I had to take the workshop outside of my house, but the main reason was that it was a bad idea from the first minute. So the kids were growing up, things became really crowded in the workshop, and the dust. But mostly we really wanted to use this room back for its original purpose, to live in and not to be a workshop. Saber, ya. Okay, so I know this workshop looks great. It's a dream workshop that anyone could wish for, and also a beautiful CNC machine. But the problem is that this place wasn't mine, and I had to evacuate it in 1 month. And I was lucky enough to find on the same floor a small space that wasn't as nice, but I could rent it and it could be mine. So I took 2 weeks to rearrange all the place, and the first thing was to open a window in the cement wall.